Hello everyone. Hope you all are doing well. Welcome to Probability Lecture 4. Okay, let us revise the things which we covered in last lecture. We had started with terms and basic concepts, and also we completed practice set 5.1 and 5.2. Right? If you are having any doubt in that, you are welcome, or you are supposed to type that in the comment section. Okay, I'll be clearing that as well. So today we are supposed to start with practice set 5.3. Practice set 5.3. So I hope my screen is visible to you all, and we'll be going ahead with exercise 5.3. Practice set, I can say, and the questions are again very easy. And what is asked is we need to find the sample points denoted by n of s. We need to find number of occurrence, that is, suppose A is the event, we need to find occurrence of that event as well, that is n of A, n of B, n of C, etc., etc. Okay, so again, this types of questions are very easy to attempt, and again they are fully scoring. Okay, still now in any of the practice set we have not applied formula of probability. Okay, so need not worry, that we'll be covering in our next exercise. Okay, so before I start, I'm giving you 2 minutes. Please refer to the entire notes till lecture 3 so that this exercise will be easy and we can cover it smoothly. Okay. So let us start with the exercise. Okay. So let S be the sample space. First, random experiment are marked in red. Okay. So experiment अपना उसको मैंने red में mark किया है. So now let us go ahead with solving part. It would be better if you solve along with me. Okay. So what is the random experiment here? It is nothing but one die is rolled. One die is rolled. So जब भी एक die को हम लोग roll करते हैं, whenever we roll a die, particular die, so what is the sample space? What is the sample space? So here, just a second, that my video is coming in between. वो window बीच में आ रहा है ना, I'll just shift that. Okay. I hope now it's fine. So let us write the sample space for one dice roll. S is equal to one dice roll. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This will be the sample space. And event A is what, since I am not writing event now, since it is already given in the question. So event A is that even number on the upper face. मतलब ये 1 to 6 में से ना सिर्फ even number आना चाहिए ऊपर. So therefore A is equal to 2, 4, 6. Okay. This means that n of s, पहले तो n of s भी लिखना है. Don't forget that it is 6. Talking about n of A, it is 3. Then odd number on the upper face. Next event is odd number on the upper face. So B event जो भी वो mention करना, and odd number on the upper face is 1, 3, 5. So here n of B is 5. ठीक है, n of B क्या हो जाएगा तुम्हारा 5 हो जाएगा. Sorry, n of B will be 3. I'm so sorry. 1, 3, 5 is the event, and n of B would be 3. I'm extremely sorry. And talking about last, that is event C. So event C would be prime number on the upper face. What we want, just read the event again. We want prime number on the upper face. 2, 3, 5. Okay. So n of C is 3. This is all which is asked. इतना ही पूछा है. क्या पूछा है? Just see. We have been asked find n of A, n of S, n of A, n of B, n of C. ठीक है. तो वही हमने find करके दिखा दिया. I hope there is no doubt in the question. Okay. Please note it down, and we will resume with our next question. Let us start with second question. In second question, kids, 2 dice are rolled. ठीक है. कितना die roll किया इधर? There are 2 dice rolled. So first of all, what will be the sample space? Sample space क्या हो जाएगा उधर? It would be 1, 1, 1, 2, 1, 3, 1, 4, 1,5 and 1,6. Similarly 2,1, 2,2, 2,3, 2,4, 2,5 and 2,6. Again 3,1, 3,2, 3,3, 3,4, 3,5, 3,6, 4,1, 4,2, 4,3, 4,4, 4,5, 4,6, 5,1, 5,2, 5,3, 5,4, 5,5 and 5,6. And last that will be 6,1, 6,2, 6,3, 6,4. Just a second, huh? I guess it is not visible on the screen. Now it will be visible. 6,4, 6,5 and 6,6. This will be your sample space. Any doubt in the sample space? Here n of s would be 36. Okay. So this is your sample space. What is event A here? Event A is the sum of the digits on the upper face is a multiple of 6. मतलब sum of the digit should be multiple of 6 on the upper face. So now again it's very easy. उसका sum and जो sum रहेगा ना वो multiple of 6 होना चाहिए. So event A का हो जाएगा 1 और 5 का sum किया तो क्या आता है 6 आता है. ठीक है. अच्छा, let us first use sample space so that things go easier for you as well. थोड़ा सैंपल स्पेस के बारे में बात करते हैं. ठीक है. I'll just off this side so it would be easier for you to look at. And here. Okay. Now you can go upside. क्या बोले आपने को? I hope now question and the sample space both is visible in one line. ठीक है. 2 dice are rolled तो नहीं देखेगा तो भी चलेगा. Okay. Now I'll just try to highlight it कि 1,5 का sum 6 होता है. First line में क्या आ रहा है? 1,5 sum 6 है, multiple of 6 है. ठीक है. मतलब sum of the upper digit should be multiple of 6. तो next line में कुछ है क्या? 2,4 है, fantastic. थर्ड लाइन में 3,3 है, शाबाश. फोर्थ लाइन में 4,2 है, वेरी गुड. और कुछ है? नहीं है. Then here 5,1, शाबाश, fantastic. Anything else? Nothing. And anything else that would be और कुछ? It would be 6,6 because 6,6 का sum होता है 6 plus 6, that is 12, which is multiple of 6. Multiple of 6. तो तुम्हारा n of a कितना होएगा? What will be n of a? Just count and tell me. n of a आ जाएगा 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. तो तुम्हारा n of a would be 6. So you can just write it down. So my n of a is 6. ठीक है? I hope the ideas are clear to you. So just let me write n of a is 1,5, 1,5. Then please write it down 1,5, 2,4, 3,3, 4,2, 5,1 and 6,6. ठीक है? 6,6. Therefore n of a कितना हो जाएगा? 6. Therefore n of a is equal to 6. ठीक है? n of a is equal to 6. Talking about B part. B part में क्या पूछा है आपने को? B part में आपने को पूछा है कि odd number on the upper face. So just refer the sample space and tell me what will be n of B. I'm giving you 1 minute. Just refer and हाँ टॉकिंग अबाउट इवेंट बी, बी पार्ट में अपने को पूछा है ऑड नंबर ऑन द अपर फेस, ऑड नंबर ऑन द अपर फेस. So just check, ये देखो odd number on the upper face. नहीं, sorry, here there is something mentioned is wrong. रुक जाओ. The sum of the digit on the upper face is minimum 10. Okay, no issue. Sum of the digits on the upper face is minimum 10. Minimum 10. ध्यान से सुनो, minimum 10. 10 से ज्यादा होगा तो चलेगा. तो 1 में से तो कुछ नहीं आएगा, 2 में से कुछ आएगा क्या? नहीं आएगा. 3 में से नहीं आएगा, 4 में से हाँ आएगा. मिनिमम 10 के ना आ जाएगा. 4,6. लेट मी चूज अनदर कलर. 4,6. फिर तो पूरा लाइन आ जाएगा ना 4,6 के बाद. हाँ नहीं आएगा, क्यों? बिकॉज अपने को 10 ही चाहिए. तो 5,5 आएगा, 5,6 आएगा, 6,6 भी आएगा, 6,5 भी आएगा, 6,4 भी आएगा. समझा? बिकॉज अपने को क्या बोला है? मिनिमम 10. मिनिमम 10 मतलब 10 या तो उससे ज्यादा होएगा तो भी चलेगा. ठीक है, दैट इज व्हाट दे आर आस्किंग मी. सो हियर इट वुड बी बी का सैंपल स्पेस, बी का एंड ऑफ बी क्या आ जाएगा बताओ मुझे. हियर इट वुड बी 4,6, देन 5,5, 5,6, 6,4, 6,5 and 6,6. Therefore n of b is equal to 1 2 3 4 5 6. n of b is equal to 6. And last c event, क्या पूछा है मुझे इवेंट सी में? सी इवेंट में पूछा है the same digit on the both upper face. तब भी सिंपल है ना. 1,1, 2,2, 3,3, 4,4, 5,5, 6,6. 1,1, 2,2, 3,3, 4,4, 5,5, 6,6. And here n of c would be 6. ठीक है. See, we are not asked probability in any of the cases. Till now, we are just finding now sample points and number of occurrence of event. N of A, N of B, वो सब. ठीक है. ये देखो. In this, there is nowhere mentioned कि अपने को probability find करना है. I hope I am very clear with the question set. ठीक है. Shall I go on to the next question? क्या बोला है? For 3 men and 2 women, environment committee of 2 persons is to be formed. ठीक है. मेरे पास 3 men है. So let men be denoted by M1, M2, M3. M1, M2, M3. And 2 women. So let it be W1, W2. तो ये तुम लोग स्टेटमेंट फॉर्म में लिखोगे. M1, M2, M3 denotes 3 men. W1, W2 denotes 2 women. ठीक है. So that I want you all to denote, write in the statement form. Then what is the condition for event A? Condition of event A क्या आएगा? Think and answer. There must be at least one woman member. ठीक है. And committee कितने का बनाने का है? मेरे को 2 का ही बनाने का है. So just tell me. Okay, so I guess now you are in the position to tell me the sample space. ठीक है. Now you are in the position to tell me the sample space. And any one of you tell me what will be the sample space in this condition. Here there are 3 men, 2 women. वो सब तुम लोग लिखोगे. A committee of 2 is to be formed. So let S denote sample space, and S would be M1, M2, M1, M3, then M2, M3, then it would be M1, W1. Woman का भी रोल आ गया इसमें. M1, W2, and then it would be M2, W1. Then it would be M2, W1 हो जाएगा. So you can also compare them with M2, W2. Compare in the sense इसको भी include करना पड़ेगा. M2, W2, M3, W1, because there are 3 men. Then M3, W2, then W1, W2, W1, W2. therefore my n of s would be, एक मिनट रुक जाओ, n of s क्या आ जाएगा, n of s would be 10. Now think and take your own time to to write that occurrence of event A. n of a लिखने के लिए थोड़ा सोचो, टाइम लो एंड फिर लिखो. n of s 10 हो जाएगा. Again the question is very easy but it is just based on thinking. ऐसा दिमाग चल रहा है उसके ऊपर है. So you just need to think. It's easy question. एकदम scoring है, ठीक है. So just think accordingly. Now my condition for event A is condition for event A. So A event का condition हो जाएगा मेरा. क्या बोला है? There must be at least one woman. One से ज्यादा रहेगी तो चलेगा क्या? हाँ चलेगा. It will be M1 W1, M1 W2, M2 W1, then M2 W2. और क्या लिख सकते हैं हम लोग? M3 W1, very fantastic. M3 W1. Also, we can include two women. Two women can we include? Yes, we can include two women. Why? Because at least one bola na. So we can include two women as well. So here it would be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and we can include two women as well. So here it will be W1, W2. Or कोई combination left out? M3 W2. Fantastic. M3 W2. So n of A in this case would be 7. Please check. Second condition for occurrence of event B is, what is the second condition for occurrence of event B? One man, one woman committee to be formed. One man and one woman. So M1 W1, also M1 W2, then M2 W1. Also it would be M2 W2, M3 W1, M3 W2. So here n of B would be कितना हुआ? 6 होएगा. 1 2 3 4 5 6. ठीक है. And last but not the least, event C का condition क्या बोला है? There is no woman in the committee. मतलब सिर्फ men ही चाहिए अपने को. M1 M2, M1 M2 होने के बाद M1 M3 ले सकते हैं हम लोग. M1 M3 and M2 M3. M2 M3. So here n of C would be 3. It is clear cut that 3 आने का था because पहले अपने को बोल दिया था there are only 3 men. ठीक है. Now going towards the fourth question. I hope this all are clear. Don't worry, I'll be providing notes in the description box, provided you need to tell me you want the notes, right? So I can form it in a PDF, I can compress it in a PDF form and I can put it in the description box. Okay, or else I'll be giving the link of the OneNote app in the description. But I won't be giving unless amongst you someone tell me. I hope, I'm presuming you all are writing. Okay. So fourth question, 3 coins are tossed simultaneously. When 3 coins are tossed simultaneously, what is the sample space? इसका एक ट्रिक मैंने बताया था. पहले 2 कॉइन टॉस करते हैं ना, उसका सैंपल स्पेस लिख लेने का. ठीक है. So write down that it would be HH So what will be the sample space? Here it would be, anyone? H पहले 2 का लिख लो. HH HT TH TT. Again you write down same HH HT TH TT. पहले लाइन में H ऐड कर दो सब जगह, इधर T ऐड कर दो, and this will give you total 8. N of S is equal to 8. ठीक है. So condition for event A is to get at least 2 heads. Condition for event A is to get 2 heads. But मुझे वो लोग ने बोला है at least 2 heads, मतलब 2 हेड तो चाहिए ही चाहिए, बट 2 से ज्यादा होगा तो भी चलेगा. Isn't it? 2 हेड तो चाहिए ही, मिनिमम 2 हेड चाहिए, बट 2 से ज्यादा रहेगा तो भी चलेगा. Isn't it? So my A is the event where I want at least 2 head, but 2 से ज्यादा रहेगा तो भी चलेगा. तो HHH तो आ ही जाने वाला है. और क्या आएगा? HHD आएगा. Anything else? HTH आएगा और THH आएगा और कुछ at least 2 heads बोला है. So what will be N of A? N of A would be 4. ठीक है. Find B. B का देख लेते हैं. I'm feeling that there is low space. No problem. B का देख लेते हैं. B में क्या बोला है मुझे? What is B event telling? B is the event to get no head. There should be no head in my event. ठीक है. So it will be TTT. और कुछ आना पॉसिबल ही नहीं है, बिकॉज बाकी सब सैंपल स्पेस में देखोगे तो हेड तो आ ही रहा है. तो N of B is only 1. Last but not the least, C वाला. Talking about event C. Event C में क्या बोला है? To get head on the second coin. मतलब second coin पे head चाहिए मुझे. So again, to get head on the second coin, it would be H. बीच में H चाहिए उसका मतलब. To get head on the second coin, बीच में H चाहिए. THH and THT. ठीक है. And I can say that N of C would be 4. Any doubts? N of C 4 मिल गया. N of A 4 मिला. N of B 1 मिला. And N of S would be 8. ठीक है. So can I go with the next question? Here, one coin and one die are thrown simultaneously. Okay. One coin and one die are thrown simultaneously. So, what will be the sample space? Very first question. जब एक कॉइन एंड एक डाई को साइमल्टेनियसली थ्रो करते हैं तो सैंपल स्पेस क्या आएगा? पहले ही मैंने बोला था कि अगर हम लोग कॉइन थ्रो करते हैं एक कॉइन तो इट वुड बी H, T एंड एक डाई थ्रो करते हैं तो इट वुड बी 1 2 3 4 5 6. ठीक है. अभी जब मैं दोनों को साइमल्टेनियसली थ्रो कर रहा हूं, व्हेन आई एम थ्रोइंग बोथ द थिंग्स साइमल्टेनियसली, हियर आई नीड टू गेट, क्या मिलेगा मुझे सैंपल स्पेस में? S इज इक्वल टू H, 1 H, 2 H, 3 H, 4 H, 5 H, 6. ठीक है. Similarly, T, 1 T, 2 T, 3 T, 4 T, 5 and T, 6. So my N of S would be, how much N of S would be? It would be 12. 12 हो जाएगा. 6 plus 6, it would be 12. N of S would be 12. Talking about event head, to get head and an odd number. मतलब मुझे head चाहिए और odd number चाहिए. So my A is the event of getting odd number and the head. So here it would be H, 1 H, 3 H, 5. बस खत्म. और कुछ possibility? No possibility. So N of A would be 3. Talking about event B. B event में क्या बोला है मुझे? To get a head or a tail and a even number. या head भी चलेगा, tail भी चलेगा, but it should be an even number. It should be an even number. So take your time and just try to form the event. सोचो कैसे बनेगा और N of B क्या आएगा वो बताओ मुझे. So B would be even number. हेड और टेल दोनों में से कुछ भी चलेगा. तो H, 2 पहले तो H का ले लेते. ठीक है. H, 2 H, 4 H, 6. इधर तक कुछ डाउट? Any doubts in this? हाँ, अभी हेड और टेल कुछ भी चलेगा. So now let me take tail. Again number तो वही रहेगा 2 4 6. So here it would be T2 T, 2 T, 4 T, 6. ठीक है. And my N of B would be कितना होगा? N of B 6. Talking about event C. Event C क्या बोला है? Number on the upper face is greater than 7 and tail on the coin. Number on the upper face is greater than 7 ऐसा तो है ही नहीं, हम लोग ने डाई एक ही रोल किया है. If you look at the sample space, I have rolled only one die. One die का sample space में 6 के आगे नंबर ही नहीं है. Alas, event is not possible. And as I said, no event is possible, and hence it is an empty set, a null set. There is no number greater than 6 on a die. There is no number greater than 6 on a die. Greater than 6 on a die. Okay. Therefore, I can say C is equal to null set, and I can say that C is impossible event. C here is impossible event. C here is impossible event. समझा application में किधर आता है types of event? Any doubts? So these were the sums. I hope sums are very easy. Dealing with the last question for today. क्या बोला है मुझे? 2 digits are to be formed. 2 digits are to be formed. ठीक है. मुझे 2 digit बनाने का है. हाँ. I need to form 2 digits using 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 without repetition. मतलब वो जो 2 digit है ना वो repeat नहीं होना चाहिए. ठीक है. And they have given me 3 events. So that now digits 2 digit number बनाने का है, but we can't replace it. मतलब without repetition बोला है. So what we can conclude here is the digit formed using 0, 1, 2, 3, 5 without repetition. We have to form 2 digit number. ठीक है. So we have to form 2 digit number. Do you agree? We have to form 2 digit number. Now 0 cannot be at tens place. So 0 cannot be at tens place. Cannot be at tens place. Therefore, now you can go ahead to write sample space. This is an important question. Going towards sample space. Sample space में क्या आएगा अभी? Now you can form that digit. 0 से लेके 5 तक का number है. So 10, 12. 11 नहीं आएगा. Why? Because we need not repeat the digit. 10, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17 नहीं आएगा because digit 5 तक की है. फिर 20, 21, 22 नहीं आएगा. 23, 24, 25. Again 30 आ सकता है, 31 आ सकता है, 32 आ सकता है. 33 नहीं आएगा because digit repeat नहीं होना चाहिए. 34, 35. ठीक है. फिर 40, 41, 42, 43, 45, 44 नहीं आ सकता. Last but not the least 50, 51, 52, 53, 54. 55 नहीं आएगा because digits are not to be repeated. N of S क्या आ गया बच्चों मेरा? N of S is 25. N of S is 25. ठीक है. Now you can just think for forming the event. Event formation के बारे में सोच सकते हो. A is the event. A is the event. क्या बोला है मुझे कंडीशन A event के लिए? The number formed is E1. Number formed is E1. So 10, 12, 14 and so on. Just think and tell me. Twenty-four and 25, 24 के बाद क्या आएगा बताओ? Think. 30, perfect. 30, 32, 34, 40. 40 के बाद क्या आएगा? 42, 44 नहीं आएगा. Please keep it in mind. 50, 52, 54. N of A is equal to 30. Just take 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Perfect. Talk about event B. इवेंट बी में मुझे क्या बोला है बच्चों? What I have been told in event B, the number is divisible by 3. Number is divisible by 3, 12, 15, 3 6 कितना होता है? 18 नहीं होएगा, फिर डायरेक्ट 7 21, 24, 30. Then again, if you talk about 42, it is divisible by 3. 42 I am talking. 42 is divisible by 3. Think an answer. Yes, it is. 55, 42 के बाद 45, then 51 and 54. If your concept of divisibility, test of divisibility वाला ये concept clear रहेगा, so you won't take much time while solving this question. It's again easy. N of B हो जाएगा 9. N of B क्या हो जाएगा 9. Talking about third question. Third question मतलब third event, that is the event C. Event C. Event C में मुझे क्या बोला है? The number is greater than 50. Number is greater than 50. 51, 52, 53, 54. N of C is equal to 4. Any doubts in here? हम लोग ने क्या किया? So now key points to remember whatever we have did till now. अभी तक जो भी किया है उसका remember के लिए key points pattern जिसको मैं बोलता हूँ. Okay? Talking about pattern, how to solve this question. इसका pattern कैसा है? How we do while solving this question या what steps we follow while solving such types of question. You have been asked N of S, N of A, N of B, N of B, so sorry, N of B and N of C, so on. ठीक है, अभी फाइंड कैसे करने का पैटर्न स्टेप्स जिसको हम लोग बोलते हैं, तुम लोग याद रख सकते हो. पहला स्टेप, राइट सैंपल स्पेस, राइट sample space denoted by S. Then write sample points. That will be N of S. So sorry, I don't know why it's happening like that. N of S. Yeah. N of S. Then using sample space, using sample space, you can form event A. Using sample space, you can form event A. फिर तुम लोग लिख सकते हो N of A. ठीक है? And so on. And so on. ठीक है? This is all. This is just the simple pattern or the simple steps you need to follow while solving this question, this type of questions. Okay, with this I'll stop with the lecture. I guess we have completed exercise number 5.3. Okay, we'll meet you soon in the next lecture and we'll be completing the chapter. I guess we require more one lecture. 5.4, which is based on probability. In that I will complete this chapter. And if you are having any doubt in a problem set, you can mention in the comment section. I'll be conducting a live lecture or I'll be posting a recording. Okay. So we'll stop for today. I hope the concepts are very clear to you. And if there is any doubt, you are free to ask. Till then, bye bye. Take care. Stay safe. Meet you all soon.